What if you could automate 90% of your workflow, freeing up more time for creative pursuits and increasing your productivity by 500%? This might sound like a pipe dream, but with the latest advancements in AI, it's now a reality. In this episode, we'll explore the world of AI automation and provide you with the tools and techniques to streamline your workflow. From AI-powered project management to automated content creation, we'll dive into the best practices for implementing AI in your daily tasks. With the rise of AI, many are concerned about job security, but the truth is, AI is here to augment our abilities, not replace them. By leveraging AI, you can focus on high-level creative tasks while automating the mundane and time-consuming ones. This not only increases productivity, but also reduces the risk of burnout. So, if you're ready to take your workflow to the next level, keep watching.
Let's dive into the world of AI automation tools. There are numerous platforms available, each with its unique features and strengths. For project management, tools like Asana and Trello are great for organizing tasks and assigning deadlines. However, with the integration of AI, you can take it to the next level. For instance, AI-powered project management tools can predict task duration, identify potential bottlenecks, and even suggest the most efficient workflow. Another area where AI excels is content creation. With the help of AI, you can generate high-quality content, such as blog posts, social media posts, and even entire books. This not only saves time but also ensures consistency and quality. AI can also help with content optimization, suggesting the best keywords, meta descriptions, and even optimizing images. When it comes to workflow optimization, AI can help identify areas of inefficiency and suggest improvements. By analyzing your workflow, AI can identify tasks that are taking too long, suggest alternative approaches, and even automate repetitive tasks. This not only increases productivity, but also reduces the risk of errors.
However, there's a controversy surrounding AI automation. Many are concerned that AI will replace human jobs, leading to widespread unemployment. While it's true that AI will automate some tasks, it's also creating new job opportunities. For instance, the rise of AI has created a demand for AI developers, trainers, and ethicists. Moreover, AI is not a replacement for human creativity and empathy. While AI can generate content, it lacks the emotional depth and understanding that a human can provide. So, instead of replacing humans, AI is augmenting our abilities, allowing us to focus on high-level creative tasks. However, there are also concerns about bias in AI decision-making. If AI is trained on biased data, it will perpetuate those biases, leading to unfair outcomes. This is why it's essential to ensure that AI is trained on diverse and representative data, and that AI decision-making is transparent and explainable.
So, what does the future hold for AI automation? As AI continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated tools and techniques for streamlining workflows. For instance, the rise of edge AI will enable real-time processing, reducing latency and increasing efficiency. Moreover, the integration of AI with other technologies, such as blockchain and the Internet of Things, will create new opportunities for automation and optimization. For example, AI-powered smart homes can optimize energy consumption, predict maintenance needs, and even ensure security. As AI continues to evolve, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve. By embracing AI automation, you can future-proof your career, increase productivity, and unlock new opportunities. So, if you're ready to take the leap, keep watching for more insights and tutorials on AI automation.
In conclusion, AI automation is not just a buzzword. It's a reality that can transform your workflow and increase productivity. By leveraging AI tools and techniques, you can streamline your tasks, focus on creative pursuits, and reduce the risk of burnout. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards automating your workflow with AI. Start by exploring the tools and techniques we've discussed in this episode, and don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. And if you found this episode helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more insights and tutorials on AI and technology. We'll see you in the next episode.